Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, please hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button, and leave about 4-5 comments down below. Thank you to everybody that did that yesterday, and we really saw an increase of engagement, and it pushed my videos up. So thank you guys. Keep on keeping on. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get the show started, guys. We're gonna be doing rapid fire VeChain news today. It's Sunday. I hope everybody's having an amazing Sunday. Taking a look at the price. You guys already know how I feel about the price of VeChain, but all in all, when in doubt, things aren't looking too bad, guys. Again, hit the link down below if you want to buy VeChain. Crypto.com sponsoring the channel. We really appreciate them, guys. You could buy VeChain, Cardano, VTHO as well. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at our beloved VTHO. Apologies if I keep clearing my throat today. My sinuses are not happy with me at all. So we take a look at VTHO, guys. It's still holding up pretty good. This seems to be moving along with VeChain. So I think now I was waiting for it to dump back down a little bit more. Probably about to these levels here, but it looks like it has a pretty decent support right here, just above a half a penny. I was hoping to get it for a lot lower than that, but it doesn't look like that it's budging unless VeChain dumps again. But it looks like it's just following VeChain right now, which could be good. So I think I'm gonna enter a position into VTHO here soon. Still looking pretty tasty, and we'll ride up with VeChain. When VeChain goes up, VTHO will go up. So that's something to look forward into in the future, especially with VeChain 2.0, Proof of Authority 2.0, a lot of decentralized applications coming out on the blockchain. I think that VTHO could be a hidden giant, a sleeping giant in the near future. So that's the price, guys. Moving on. Looks like DNV has some great news for us, guys. We are pleased to announce the launch of a new smart center. So we have another smart center, guys, at the Chinese port city of Qingdao, as well as cooperation agreement with the Shandong Shipping for digital and decarboxylation projects in shipping. Let's take a look. Again, DNV debuted its new smart center to support digitalization and decarbonization of maritime. The world's developing centers moving to East Asia, especially China, is playing a more critical role in global shipping and trading market. China is one of the most important strategic development regions of DNV, and we believe that the newly established Smart Center could further support China maritime industry to achieve digitalization and decarbonization transformation, said the director of ship classification and technical director at DNV. This smart center, it doesn't mention VeChain in here, guys, but you have to understand they're using words like digitization, decarbonization. So hopefully this new smart center could, give some fruit. Again, DNV is a very, very good partner because they link us with thousands, hundreds of thousands of businesses that need digitization services, that need decarbonization services, and need standards. Certification standards. I was watching the Joe Rogan Experience, matter of fact, and he had a guest on there talking about why you see more and more companies. Guys, I've been saying this for the past year. More and more companies each day are coming out as woke, coming out as sustainable, green, all these things. Well, it's not just VeChain. It's all companies. And he was saying because it's a new standard that not a whole lot of people know about. It's called ESG. If we look here, it says environmental, social, and governance. Now, the reason why you see more and more companies talking about how green they are, how sustainable they are, how transparent they are, how inclusive and diverse they are, is because of these ESGs. And these ESGs, guys, are scores. They're pretty much scores to tell investors how forward thinking you are, pretty much, guys. And that's what's really driving a lot of these companies to be more sustainable. To me, I don't think that companies in of themselves actually give a crap about sustainability and diversity, but these ESGs here really sort of push companies into this thing, and they talk about corporate social credit, kind of like what they do in China. Again, I've been having a little bit of cognitive dissonance when talking about VeChain, talking about social credit, talking about tracking and tracing. A lot of this stuff is getting a little bit invasive, but when we see it here, a lot of stuff makes sense. And the world around the world, not only US, but the whole world's companies are conforming to this sort of corporate social credit score. And if you're the most woke, if you're the most sustainable, if you're the most diverse, that will allow investors to come in and want to invest in you. If you're not, if you don't have a high ESG score, if you're not as woke or as sustainable or as environmentally conscious, investors look at your ESG score and they kind of judge you on it. So again, it's kind of like social credit, socially responsible investing. That's what it's called. So when we see this shift towards traceabilities, towards tracking, towards social diversity and all that, think about these ESGs, guys, and who's getting the investor money. Bring that up. A lot of companies, guys, in China, in San Marino, Cyprus, in America, a lot of companies are coming out talking about we're the greenest, we're the most woke, we're the most blah, blah, blah. It's all about these ESGs. And again, this is going to bode well for VeChain because we just provide the data housing for it. DMV goes out, provides the standards. And yeah, I thought that was very interesting, guys. Go ahead, look up the Joe Rogan Experience, type in ESG, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's crazy out here. This stuff goes deeper, a lot deeper than I had thought. We've got the VeChain Foundation here, built on VeChainThor, is officially indexed as the innovative front runner of blockchain application in 2021 by the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, guys. Again, VeChain, again, getting more and more affirmations, not only getting affirmations from the Chinese government, but getting affirmations from their peers as well. Look, the committee recognized VTrust as a perfect example of merging public blockchain with public sector, connecting all stakeholders from governance to citizens. And I would agree, guys. Continue to great work, VeChain. Continue to do what you're doing. You guys are on the right track. And I know that, the price isn't where people want it to be. But at the end of the day, guys, we are doing pretty well. Okay, we're still up, 300% on the year. From all-time lows, we're up thousands of percent, guys. So let's hold the faith, keep the faith, guys. If you bought at all-time highs, I understand. It's rough. Everyone at this point thought it was going up forever. But I did say, guys, don't buy at all-time highs. I remember saying that. I put a video out saying, is it a good time to buy VeChain? Yes or no? And my answer was, it's a good time to buy VeChain if you're bullish on VeChain and you read about VeChain and you're fully bought into the mission and the vision. And I still do believe that. I still do believe that it is a great time to buy VeChain. I mean, again, guys, it's 70% off right now. That's absolutely insane. Let's keep up the great work, VeChain. And then finally, we have April Strawberry here. Again, SDGs, talking about sustainable development goals. This, again, tags along with those ESGs, too. SDGs and ESGs go in hand. And they're talking about a low-carbon ecosystem. This carbon initiative is being highlighted in the report card, so by next year they must have something to report on. So we see here San Marino's implementation of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, and VeChain is smack right dab in the middle of there. Again, they're talking about the low carbon ecosystems, carbon credits, V-carbon, really trying to tax the heck out of carbon in order to reduce its emissions. That's the future, guys. These ESGs and these SDGs, they're gonna definitely be something that we need to look towards in the future. Now, I don't know about you guys. I don't know about all the ESG stuff. I invest in companies that make money and have a similar vision as me. I didn't know how deep it went, but it's crazy, guys. So, oh, did you guys see that UFC 264? Oh, that was insane yesterday. Shout out to crypto.com. Go ahead, click the link down below, guys. I saw those crypto.com shirts and I was like, adoption is happening. It was great. So yeah, guys, VeChain's doing well. Not too much else to go on here. We have 1,038 days. I'm not going to hold you too long today. It's Sunday. I just want to play video games all day and keep my mind on crypto. That's it. Nothing too crazy going on today, guys. So I'm going to let you go. Yeah, nothing too insane. Any major bumps? Not really. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. I will be talking to you soon with the Cardano updates, guys. I love you so much. Don't let your memes be dreams. And I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful Sunday.